USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about not pound, what is this? Dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you'll find some links. It says Swing Like a Pro, the first link, and if you click on that you will come to this page here where you can see all these swing setups and you can join this program if you want. And in the meantime, we have the second link. If you want to speak with me directly, you can book consultation. You can click on this link and check out the brokers as well. The third one is absolutely free. You can always get into my Telegram for free. So go and join it. Coming back to my chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are having some red candles but we are up. Daily we are having red candles but we are up. 4 hour we are down. You know what the secret is? Don't trade USDJPY even though it's gonna go down. Okay, even though I'm saying dollar yen, I think it will go down, but also at the same time I'm telling you do not trade USDJPY because you have other pairs. You have Euro USD, IUD USD, GBP USD, USD CAD. Why would you trade USDJPY? I don't understand. Okay, so the bias might be down, but I will say my pick is don't trade USDJPY. Okay, right? Go and watch other videos of mine. And in the meantime, if you want these setups before they happen, then you can join this program and I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.